Today, we're going to be making a chocolate chip pretzel cookie. So stay tuned and let's work this together. In a large bowl, we're going to put all our dry ingredients in this large bowl. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of table salt, a half tablespoon of vanilla powder. Get a whisk or something to mix all of these ingredients up very well. Okay, let's set this aside and let's do our wet ingredients. In another large bowl, we're going to be adding 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has to be put out and actually has to be softened. Okay, we're going to take our 5 tablespoons of softened butter, beat this up. Half cup of light brown sugar. Now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of white sugar. Okay, after you do that, mixed it up with both of these sugars, we're going to add 1 large egg. Turn this on low and let's beat this egg up with this sugar. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Okay, make sure you get your dry ingredients. I'm going to dump a little bit of my dry ingredients in, put it on low, and I'm going to slowly beat this ingredients up. Then I'm going to just add the rest of my my dry ingredients into my wet, because this is my wonderful cookie dough. This is a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I'm just gonna fold these all in. I've got some mini pretzels and I'm gonna put a couple in a bag and I'm gonna crunch up with my roller. Then I'm just gonna add just a couple, plus just already cooked, baked, hard, great pretzels. Then I'm just gonna mix up into my cookie dough. I got me a little bowl. I mixed up my dough and I want this to go in the refrigerator so this can all set up. Okay, now what we did is we let our chocolate chip pretzel cookie dough mix sit into the refrigerator for 24 hours. Using a smaller ice cream dipper, I think one of the butter kind, because these cookies are gonna bake. They're gonna bake wonderfully. So we're gonna just dig in here, and you gotta make sure that when you get it out of the refrigerator, you wanna let it at least sit out for about 20-30 minutes, just enough to get these cookies softened, because these cookies will definitely harden up. So you do want that softness. Okay, so I got out my pretzels. Since I'm doing 6, I'm gonna need 6 small little pretzels. So take the cookie and I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to like spread it down a little bit, just enough to get my pretzel on top. Okay, now we're going to take these and we're going to pop these in our oven. It's already been preheated to 350. If your oven bakes a little bit faster, 325. We're going to do about 9 minutes. Okay, our cookies are coming out. Okay, once I took my cookies out, I let them cool. I like a softer batch cookie, but you can cook it a little longer and you can get a harder cookie or soft batch cookie. It is your choice. It depends on how you cook. I cook these about 9 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take my cookies off. They're completely cooled off. Okay, I'm going to add some drizzle of caramel drizzle. Okay, so you got to make sure it's cold. There you go. I'm just gonna do, and I have to watch out because this is kind of, just a little, I don't want a lot, I just want a drizzle. If you want to, you can always get a caramel that's a little thicker and it doesn't have to be a drizzle, but look how soft and easy these cookies are. These are nice soft cookies with a little bit of caramel drizzle on there. And look, you got the chocolate chip. Don't forget, you've still got the bits of pretzel. And if you don't have enough pretzel, you always can crunch on the top of the pretzel. See? Delicious. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of my chocolate chip pretzel cookies. And I hope you come back so we can make more different dishes. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, come back next time so we can make something totally different and totally new. Bye.